If you're in your 20s and 30s, most of the advice you would get is invest. And when talking about this investment, it's more about buying properties and owning lands. But have you ever wondered how you can prove the land that belongs to you in the eyes of the law? So whether you're buying land, you're selling it, or you just want to know your right, it is very important to know how to legally establish ownership. So in this video, I'll be exploring 5 key ways to prove title to land. So whether you're in Nigeria or elsewhere where land dispute occurs, this information is crucial to know and you don't want to miss number 5. So the first one is title deed. Title deed is the most straightforward and legally recognized document in proving ownership of land. Whether it's a deed of conveyance or a certificate of occupancy, the title deed clearly states who the owner of the property is, and is in fact the first thing anyone will ask when you want to claim ownership of land. Without it, it's like saying you own a car but you don't have the documents to prove it. So having your title deed properly registered is your best bet in proving your ownership rights. The second one is actual possession. You might not have a title deed, but what if you've been on the land for years? Actual possession simply refers to being in control and occupying the land without anyone coming to claim it. So if you can show that you've been on that land exclusively and consistently, the law could recognize your possession as evidence of ownership. This is especially useful where no formal documents are available. Just remember, peaceful possession is the key. The third one is deed of assignment. That is proving transfer of ownership from the seller to you. This document should be properly executed and signed by both parties, and it should be ideally registered with the land registry. Now, when you have this document, it is proof that the land legally belongs to you. The fourth one is customary ownership. In many parts of Nigeria, land ownership does not always follow written law. It is mostly recognized by customary law. This means that community recognizes certain families or persons as the rightful owners of the land based on their local tradition. Traditional ownership acknowledged by local community or traditional rulers can hold weight in court, especially if the land was passed through generations or the land was acquired through traditional practices. Now, the fifth one is adverse possession. Ever heard of the word adverse possession? This legal principle allows someone to claim ownership of the land by simply living on it for a long time without any objection from the true owner. Now, if you've been occupying a land for a number of years, let's say 12 to 30 years, depending on the jurisdiction, you could be legally entitled to it. The law considers exclusive, continuous, and uninterrupted possession that you own the land, even if the land originally belongs to somebody else. So if you've been living on the land for decades without any challenges, you might just have a legal claim to it. So whether you're dealing with a land dispute, you're buying land, or you just want to make sure that your land rights are solid, these 5 methods are your toolkit for proving ownership. So what's your experience over land ownership? Have you ever had legal issues over land? I would love to hear from you. So drop your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to like, share, and follow for more real and relatable talks on the law.